How to access app and game files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. In the Files app, you can locate and view your files, organize and rearrange them in folders, compress, rename, and share them with friends. Once you're here, tap on the Browse tab at the bottom to see all available file locations. Under the Location section, tap on My iPhone to view all files and folders stored locally. You can scroll through and tap on any folder to see its contents, just as shown. To view files stored in the cloud, go back to the Browse screen and simply tap on iCloud Drive. This displays all files and folders synced with your iCloud account, making them accessible from any of your Apple devices. Following these steps, you can easily access app and game files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.